Acacia farnesiana, and previously Mimosa farnesiana, commonly known as sweet acacia, hurisik, or needle bush, is a species of shrub or small tree in the legume family, Fabaceae. Its flowers are used in the perfume industry. Uses perfume. The flowers are processed through distillation to produce a perfume called Acacia, which has been described as delicious. It is widely used in the perfume industry in Europe. Flowers of the plant provide the perfume essence, from which the biologically important sesquiterpenoid farnesol is named.